this. Ugh, fucking bugs. I hate bugs, I hate bugs, I hate bugs. So no, nothing, nothing, nothing. This is just a dead end. No! Leave me alone, you stupid thing. I will kill you. Ugh, disgusting creature. Just die already. Oh my god, it's a scorpion. I'm gonna fucking... I just might. Panic mode, full on panic mode. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Fudge. Nope, I need to run away. Fudge. Why? No! Leave me alone! No, no, nope, nope, nope. I'm getting out of here. No! Screw that, I can't. No. No, no, no. I'm done. I'm not going in this cave. I need to heal before my ass gets... no. No. No, 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 no. Fudge. Screw this. I need to... No! Why are you following me? Leave me alone. Please just leave me alone. I don't want this stupid scorpion here. Leave me alone. What is this? How do I get out of here? I'm over this. I'm so done. Come on. Come on. Can I not? Ugh. I don't need a stupid scorpion near me. Ugh.